Today what we are doing is a drive-by materials pickup.
We're getting supplies out to our kids so that they didn't have to go to the store and buy anything, and just getting stuff that they need to be successful in the virtual classroom so that everybody's on an equal playing field.
The idea came from another colleague that kind of just spread, and all the principals were like, you know what, let's give our kids what they need to be successful. We are stuffing bags filled with all learning supplies for the first quarter. So our teachers spent time filling those up with all the essential things our students need to learn.
In the bags, there are many different manipulatives that our students will be using for hands-on learning, even though they're learning virtually. And many of the students are also checking out devices such as laptops.
All our first graders who need it are getting an iPad, and along with their iPad, they're getting all kinds of login information, cool apps to explore while they're doing virtual learning. They all have a whiteboard to write on. There's a cool 120s chart for our first graders for math, a clock for telling time, some cards for playing some math investigations games, counters, dice, Unifix cubes. They have a great alphabet book, so practicing the alphabet from kindergarten, getting ready for first grade.
Given the pandemic, given the current situation our country is in, it's the least we can do to be advocates, if you will, of change and this current environment.
We know it's going to be a new year, but an exciting year. And so we are there to be able to answer any questions, as well as to be able to give you some helpful ways that your child can be successful this year.
I just want to tell the parents that we are in this together. Anything that we don't know, we're going to learn together, and we're going to work through this together and make this a success.
I'm glad the school came up with a plan and be able to assist and work this out so children can continue to learn and grow.
Hang in there, we've got this, and it's going to be a good year. We're excited.
Go into the school year with a positive attitude. It may be rocky to start, but at the end of the day, we're all in the same playing field, and I think we'll just find a new pattern and we'll make it work.
I hope we all have good years and we learn in a safe environment.
Have a great year, that's all.